Alright everybody, I am out here with the JJRC AIRCUS. I'm going to give it a little... Toto, don't turn the phone off like a dummy. Leave the phone running, okay? You want the phone on. I guess you have to have it turned that way, which is kind of stupid, but it is what it is, right? We're going to check it out real quick. I just want to get a flight in here to get it broke in a little bit and check the video out. Yes, the camera tilt is working. That's cool. It says 13 satellites. Okay, so I guess we'll just take off. I guess that's the headless mode. High, low. I really don't know a lot about this thing, but we'll just take off and see what happens. How about that? Let me hit the... Wow. Boy, is that thing erratic. Let me get that out of the GPS mode. Put that just in regular. Boy, that GPS is erratic as hell. Wow. Holy moly. God, this thing won't sit still for shit. Whoa. I don't know what button I was pushing to make it do that. Okay, look, look. See you later. Okay, well that ain't working for me. Okay, I put the GPS mode back on. Look at that. Look. And I did calibrate it, okay? Look at that. It don't even know what it wants to do. Look at that thing. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna, before this thing flies away and kills somebody, namely me, I'm going to cut the video. Just land that damn thing. Holy tamale. Oh, okay, it's going to be one of them. Okay, I've already had enough of this piece of shit. Okay, so first impressions are yoy. Okay, did you see that thing going, man? I mean, I'm like, wow. Holy cow, maybe we could do another compass calibration on it. I don't know, man. We're going to take it off one more time. See how it's drifting away? Okay, let me put it back in the GPS mode again to see. God, it just gets so wonky. Let me see what the speed's in. Okay, it actually settled down there a little bit for the first time ever. Wow. It's toilet bowling like crazy. Wow. Okay, that's... Okay, well, let's go back to the drawing board on this thing. Wow. Okay. Stop, Rover. Stop, please. Please stop. Okay, I'm done with this thing. Okay. Well, we're going to have to go back to the drawing board with this thing. Motors are cool. You know, there's no issue with that, but there has to be some kind of calibration issue, even though I did do that. I did that off camera, you know, before I started the video, but I don't know, maybe I have to do it again or a couple more times, who knows. That thing was way out of whack for some reason, so we'll see, we'll figure it out. Alright guys, have a nice day.